How to delete your story on TikTok. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your story on TikTok on the new update. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, just go to TikTok. So once you're in TikTok, what you have to do is just go to the profile on the corner. And once you're here, as you can see that I have already uploaded a story right over here. So how do you remove it? So it's pretty simple. So on the new update, you won't be able to see any option of deleting or anything. So what you need to do is just swipe up just like this. And once you swipe up, you will be able to see views. But in the corner, you will be able to see a trash icon. Just press on the trash icon right over there. And then it will give you this option of delete the story. Just press on delete. And here you go. This is how you can delete your story on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.